Hey y'all, let's make some strawberry pie. We're about to have a strawberry baganza, whatever that is. I've got lipstick on.
I'll do it.
Okay. All right, so I have my trusty sidekick here with me.
Hello.
And we are going to make you a strawberry pie. We've never made it before.
Strawberry.
We've never made it before,
No.
so we're going to see how this turns out. Hopefully, it's going to turn out good.
It'll be awesome.
All right, so these are all the things that you're going to need. You're going to need a pie crust, which I'm going to leave my pie crust to the professionals. We're going to use Pillsbury dough. These are the best, I think. And I have this pie pan here. You're going to need some strawberries, which I've already washed and I've cut the tops off. And then you're going to need 3/4 cups of sugar. You're going to need a 1/2 cup of water, a cup of Sprite, and a small box of strawberry Jell-O, which is 3 ounces, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay? But the first thing we're going to do is put our pie crust in the oven. So let me get some spray and spray this. I'm going to spray my pie pan. Pretty. I like to mash it into there really good so that it doesn't shrink up when you put it in the oven. So I just like to mash mine on the sides here, and you can pinch it like that and make it pretty.
Nobody got time for all that. As long as it tastes good.
I just take my two fingers just like that and just kind of make it pretty. Mine's going to be a little rustic, but just like that. Poke some holes. Poke a few holes in my crust here, just so it doesn't bubble up. Just with a fork. I'm going to put this in the oven, and we're going to get this baked. It's going to take about 10 to 12 minutes, and I'm going to make mine pretty golden brown. Okay? So we're going to pop this in the oven. So what you're going to do to make the sauce that's going to go over your berries, we're going to put this on the stove. So you're going to do 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. There you go. And I'm going to get a whisk.
3?
Yeah. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. You're going to do 3/4 cups of sugar and a 1/2 cup of water. And you're going to add a cup of Sprite. Want the rest? All right, we're going to put this on the stove, and this is going to we're going to boil it until it gets really thick, okay? Now the recipe that I saw used the whole strawberries. They just put the whole strawberries right into the crust. But we're going to use this little Pampered Chef fruit cup slicer.
That is handy.
Isn't it though? I love this thing. So we're going to do sliced strawberries. So in here I have 2 of the big packages of strawberries, because I'm not real sure how many it's going to take, but you want your pie pretty full of strawberries. So we're going to get these all cut up for you, and then we'll put them in the crust as soon as it's done. So what you're going to do with this mixture here is you're just going to cook it on high until it gets bubbly hot, the sugar's dissolved, and it's pretty thick. So we're going to do it for a few minutes. I'll let you know as soon as I think it's ready. This has only been cooking for about 2 minutes, and look how it's starting to turn into a gel. Look how thick that is. That is what you want. You want it to be thick just like that. And as soon as that looks pretty thick, I mean, almost like pudding type, you're going to put in your Jell-O packet. I'm using this. I'm just using half of this. I got the big box, so it calls for 3 ounces, so I just put 3 ounces in this little cup here. I'm just going to add it to our thick mixture here, just so you can see how thick that is. Just looks perfect. All right. It's kind of like a strawberry glaze is what this is. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful that looks. And it smells delicious. This recipe is a recipe that, what did they have it at? What did they say? Shoney?
Big Boys and Shoney's.
Shoney's had this recipe. Remember going to Shoney's as a kid and getting the buffet, right? They have buffet.
We couldn't afford Shoney's. No.
You couldn't afford Shoney's? You never went to Shoney's?
Was there even one there? Where was one at?
Yes, there was a Shoney's in Tulsa. There was.
That was outside of our...
Oh, sorry.
Went to Arby's.
Well, maybe I didn't go as a kid. I probably didn't go as a kid, maybe as an adult, but I remember going. But anyway, this pie was one of their desserts.
Casa Bonita was our choice.
I loved Casa Bonita too.
I miss it.
Yes. Yeah, Casa Bonita.
There's still one in
It
Denver.
wasn't, the food was not good at Casa Bonita. It was just the fact that you could put the flag up and the waiter would run over and
Yeah, but it
help
was
you.
good. I thought it was good. I would eat there tomorrow if they were open.
No.
I would take you there.
Anyway.
And remember the cave and the waterfall and the...
Yeah, that would be a romantic date, wouldn't it? Okay.
Maybe for me.
All right. So we're going to get our crust out and then we're going to put this together. All right. That's beautiful. All right.
Oh, it smells like the biscuits you made this morning.
We're going to let this cool off just a little bit. All right. So we're going to go ahead and put this together. Go ahead and spoon your strawberries in here into your pie crust. I was thinking that maybe we could, I'll just pop that in there. We could do blackberry, but I don't think they do blackberry jelly.
Yeah.
I mean, Jell-O. But I do remember picking blackberries as a kid. Do you remember picking blackberries? I had to pick blackberries one time, and my mom went to cross the fence, and she stepped over this barbed wire fence, and then the fence came back up, popped it back up while she was halfway over the fence.
Nice.
And me and my sister started rolling on the ground laughing. We couldn't even help her. We couldn't even help her up.
I picked these strawberries
You picked them?
at the grocery store.
You picked them right off the shelf.
That's it. Is that enough, or you want
No,
more?
we're going to pile it.
Oh, okay.
Did you not see
Sorry.
You didn't see the...
Yeah, they used whole strawberries, which I thought was too...
Yeah, because
I
I
don't know.
think if you use whole strawberries, it'll be hard to cut and harder to maneuver.
Yeah, and it would have
and
been like...
harder to eat.
Yeah,
It was
and
like trying to bite a whole strawberry, so. All right, so we'll pile it up really good.
you just say when, babe.
All right. Bring it on. What do you think? Think that looks good?
If you like it,
I think
like
it's
it.
piled good, yeah.
I've never had too many strawberries.
All right, now we're gonna pour our glaze over the top here.
Oh, yeah, that's going to look awesome.
This is gonna be so good.
And that'll set up and kind of be like Jell-O.
Yeah. So we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and let it set up probably a couple hours, I think.
Can't make that.
We'll check it. We'll check it occasionally and see how long it actually takes. You know, we're gonna speed up the process if we can. We might throw this in the walk-in.
Yes.
The walk-in freezer and see if we can't get it to set up. All right, so there you have it. Look how beautiful that looks.
That looks awesome.
Holy moly.
And your new pie
Oh
pan.
yeah, I got a new pie pan today. This is so pretty. Let me show you. Whew, okay, we're going into the fridge and then we'll be back. Stay tuned. We've waited as long as we could. I'm getting the pie out of the freezer. We put it in the freezer to make it go faster. I'll be right back.
Hurry up with that pie, lady.
Oh my gosh. It looks beautiful. Oh, it looks beautiful.
I'll have some of that.
That's got to be the prettiest pie I've ever made. What do you say?
That's pretty awesome.
Ah, okay. All right.
Do we need some of this on it, or
Yes.
save it for later?
Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go.
Joke.
Let's see if it's going to cut out pretty.
Pretty enough. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Okay, get a little whipped cream on there. Probably more.
Just the right amount every time.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious?
It looks awesome.
Here you go. I got to get a little whipped cream, a little bit of the crust, a little bit of the gel. That's good, isn't it?
That's real good.
That's delicious. Oh my gosh.
That is good.
It's like even after, for a little bit after, it's still, oh my gosh. That is so good, y'all.
And when this is not even fully set up. When it sets
No.
up really good.
It's not fully set up. we have been trying to hurry it. So if you can wait and let it set up, it'll be even better and even prettier. So anyway, that's beautiful. This glaze is beautiful, but the taste is...
That is so much. I mean, I like the strawberry pie filling out of a can, but that is so much better.
Yeah, it's delicious. This is so good, y'all. Go make this.
Can we do a peach one? Do they make peach Jell-O? They don't.
They do.
Do they?
They do make peach Jell-O. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
We got to do a peach one.
Let's go to Peach Farm in the morning.
This is so good. You guys have to make this.
That is awesome.
And if you're in Branson, Missouri, come and see us right here at Local Flavor. We're right on the strip. We're across the street from Wonderworks, the big upside down building. And if you guys don't mind, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our videos on Facebook and wherever else we're at, because it helps us out. We love doing this.
Come
right?
in and ask for this.
Thank you.
It'll be on
No,
the
do
menu.
not.
I'm just kidding.
It will not be on the menu.
Everybody comes in and asks for whatever we...
They do. Yeah, especially Susie Montgomery. She always comes and says, I wanted... And so the other day, she did happen to get... I made... gosh, I can't even remember what I made, and I ran up and got it for her. And I just happened to have it, so... Because I had made it that day, so...
You never know if you don't ask.
I know, right? Thank you.
Thank you. That is awesome.
We'll see ya.
That is good. That's even going to be better in the morning.
Oh, yeah. If we could just wait, we're so impatient.
If there's any of this left over.
That's funny. Oh, Lord.